should be wary of is that pareho silang nasa penalty, so nobody really can afford to give a foul here. So si Ontiveros ngayon ang maghahanap ng game-winning shooter. And who's it going to be? Tugade for the win! Yeah!
And it's a three-pointer. He divides the play, and his players executed it very well.
Nakauntit.
Pasok na pasok yung tirang yun ni Lordy Tugade. No question. San Miguel o Magnolia will win this ballgame.
And it's not just a buzzer beating two-pointer, it's a buzzer beating TM3. So bigat. So at the buzzer, the Magnolia Beverage Masters score 2 in a row in Antipolo, winning Overton Tex 96-93. A dramatic come-from-behind win here in Antipolo. Buzzer beating three-pointer by Lordy Tugade. Reyes Joy Delaray, my partner, Rado Di Malibot. I'm Miko Halili saying good night from Antipolo, Bella Alto, Filipinas. This is the PBA on ABC.
Ildefonso. Tugade for three. Yes, sir! TM3 for the Alaminos Assassin.
Laging may assassin ito.
Naghahabol ng Magnolia. Tugade for three. Yes, sir!
Pag-assassin ka talaga, ay asintado ang three-pointer ni Tugade.
For the Alaminos Assassin by Lordy. The basketball finally. Ito, Tugade for three. Yes, sir!
Parang assassin talaga ito si Tugade. Kita mo, walang kadamdamin.
Under 2 minutes remaining and Tugade goes for three. Yes, sir!
Nag-init na ang assassin.
The Alaminos Assassin with another TM3. 19 points for the pride of Alaminos Pangasinan. Back-to-back TM triples. Napakainit ni Lordy para sa Magnolia Beverage Masters. Ang Magnolia dito because of that man, the Alaminos Assassin.
Ibang klase ay pinapakita, especially in this crucial juncture of the ball game kung saan humahabol na namang muli.
Ito ang Air 21. No, you have Ranidel De Ocampo guarding Mike Cortez. Here's also Rosella. Kicks it out to Lordy Tugade. Yes! He knocks down the three. That's a TM3 coming from Lordy Tugade. What an execution.
Hindi natin anticipate yun, partner. But that was a huge gamble to go with a three-point shot. A huge gamble.
They were looking for a drop pass, but that was the available shot. Was outside attempt by Lordy Tugade. Here's the hand of Austin Rosella. Finds Tugade all alone. Late challenge by Arwin Santos. The biggest three of the ball game so far. Tugade has 19 points in the ball game, but more importantly gives Magnolia a 2-point lead, 102-100. We have 21.4 seconds remaining. And now it's all heart here for Lordy Tugade in knocking down that crucial jumper. But the job is not yet done for Magnolia.
Nanatili, dalawa pa rin itong lamang na Magnolia. Getaway move here for Lordy Tugade. Biglang nakawala sa bantay.
A nice pick set up there for Lordy Tugade.
Look at this once again.
The pass and the pick. And the rotation was very slow to pick up Lordy Tugade.